Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to delete a Facebook account after death. Let's go through the steps to manage the account of a deceased loved one on Facebook. To begin, open Facebook on your Android device to access the account settings. Tap on the three lines icon located at the top right corner of the page to open the main menu. Navigate to the settings icon and tap on it to access the account settings. Select Account Center from the settings menu to manage various aspects of the account. Tap on Password and Security to ensure secure access to the account settings. Next, tap on Personal Details to review and adjust the account's personal information. Select Account Ownership and Control to manage ownership and control settings for the account. Tap on Memorialization to initiate the process of memorializing the account. From the list of accounts, select the account you wish to delete after death. Tap on Delete After Death, then follow the prompts by tapping Next and then Save to confirm the deletion. By following these steps, you can ensure the proper handling of a Facebook account after the account owner's passing. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you navigate the process of deleting a Facebook account after the owner's death, allowing for respectful management of digital legacies.